Hi, hello, dear student. Welcome to my next session on JEE Mains 2024 solving the questions. In this session, in this video, I am going to give you one question from the MCQs on April 4th chemistry afternoon session from electrochemistry, one question from solution, one question from chemical equilibrium chapter. Okay, in this first question, if you observe, which of the following represents the correct unit of slope of graph between molar conductivity and concentration power 1 by 2? They are given some units, Siemens, centimeter power some and mole power some numbers they have given, fractions also they are given. To solve this one, we should know what is exact the mathematical relation that was discussed for the electrolyte solutions by scientist Debye-Hückel-Arnsager equation. So we need the equation called Debye-Hückel-Arnsager equation. If you see the Debye-Hückel-Arnsager equation, definitely we will get a relation between molar conductivity and square root of the concentration in this one. So that is lambda m is equals to lambda m naught minus a into root c, or else you can also write this as minus a into root c plus lambda m naught, that will become lambda m. Why I wrote like this means it is similar to our y is equals to mx plus c. If you compare this one with y is equal to mx plus c, there is a graph which is drawn between lambda m versus root c. Okay, in this we understood the slope is minus a. Slope is minus a. Whose units they have asked in this question. That means what are the unit of the slope? Very clearly, what is the unit of the slope they have mentioned to us. That means a value, if lambda m is constant, this will be lambda m only. Lambda m naught is constant. Lambda m by root c will be the general unit of slope. So slope units you want to know means you should write unit of lambda m by unit of the concentration, root c unit. Then only you will get the units of the slope which is asked in this question. They are demanding us to find the unit of the slope. Now let us see what is the unit of lambda m. Lambda m in molar conductivity units Siemens centimeter square per mole divided by concentration is moles per liter. Moles per liter, but 1 liter, liters will be converted into centimeter cube. Moles per centimeter cube whole power 1 by 2. So this is moles per centimeter cube, the units of concentration. Then what will be the final simplification is Siemens centimeter square into centimeter power 3 by 2 into mole power minus 1 minus 1 by 2. Okay, so if you just clearly write that powers and all, it will become Siemens centimeter power 7 by 2 mole power minus 3 by 2 will come. These are the units of the slope of the Debye-Hückel-Arnsager equation they are asking. So indirectly given the Debye-Hückel equation and asking about the lambda m and concentration root graph, in that slope indirectly discussed. So it is one of the interesting question which they have asked in that JEE Mains afternoon session of April 4th, 2024 from electrochemistry chapter. I hope you understand this one. Please take a snapshot of this one to move to the next one. Okay. Let us move on to the next question. So, Siemens centimeter 7 centimeter power 7 by 2, where is there? Mole power minus 3 by 2. That is the option for this first question. Now, see the second question. When we move to that second question, it is actually, as I told, an integer type of question we are discussing. That means 3 grams of acetic acid is dissolved in 500 grams of water. That means there is a solution is prepared with acetic acid and water. Acetic acid just 3 grams, water 500 grams. After that, what they have identified is depression in freezing point of solution is x into 10 power minus 1 Kelvin. Value of x to the nearest integer. When Kb value provided to us, Ka value 2 into 10 to the power minus 5. Ka is for weak acid, Kb is for water. They have provided to us. Now, we know that what is acetic acid here? Acetic acid is a weak acid. Definitely when Ka is given to us, we should calculate its alpha value. As it is a weak acid, its dissociation constant, we have to degree of dissociation we have to calculate. As of now, we all know that acetic acid is CH3COOH. It slowly decomposes to give, dissociates to give CH3CO minus plus H plus. In this, we know the number of particles is 2. That means N is equal to 2. That is 1 point. The other one is nothing but when you would like to know what is alpha, alpha is equal to square root of Ka by C for weak acid like acetic acid from Arrhenius dilution law. Then if that Ka and C values have substituted in this one, what alpha value will come? We'll check. Ka value given 2 into 10 power minus 5, 2 into 10 power minus 5. The C value, C means concentration, 3 grams in 50 gram, 500 grams of water. 3 by whatever the 500 grams is, the 3 by acetic acid is 60 atomic mass, molecular mass. That will come 10 power minus 1. That will come 10 power minus 1. So if you just consider this one as root 2 into 10 power minus 3, so probably it is 1.414 into 10 power minus 3. Still you want to write this one something like the decimals and all, it will be 0.014 into 10 power, it is 10 power minus, minus 4 became minus 2. Minus 4 became minus 2. So 10 power minus 2 into 1.4 is 0.014. So we are bringing this 10 power minus 5, 10 power by 10 power minus 1 outside, then it became 10 power minus 2. Alpha value came almost 0.014, means it is also negligible, small value, very small value. Now, for this type of electrolytes, Van 't Hoff factor will become 1 plus n minus 1 into alpha. N we already found that it is 2. Then it is 2 minus 1 into alpha is 0.014. Then it will become 1 into 0.014, 1.014. Approximately we can consider as 1 only for acetic acid. So there is no big issue is there approximation, as they are giving nearest integer number we have to calculate. Now come to the next point here. What is the delta F value given in the question is x in 10 power minus 5, Kb value given. That we will take delta Tf is equals to I into Kb into molality. How this 10 power minus 1 came, now I will show here again. That is nothing but x into 10 power minus 1 which is given in the question is equals to I value I am taking approximately 1, Kb value I am taking as 1.86 here, 1.86. Molality is weight of acetic acid by its molar mass into 1000 by weight of solvent water weight given in the question is 400. So if you use simplification, it is nothing but 2 times get cancelled, then 6 by 60 is 1 by 10. That 1 by 10 is 10 power minus 1 here what we have taken. That means it is 10 power minus 1. 1.86 into 10 power minus 1 is 0.186. Still you want to continue with the same only, then you compare this x into 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 1 get cancelled. Then what is x means? X is equals to 1.86. Approximately you can take it as nearest integer is 2. That 2 is the answer for that x what they have asked in this question. Here a small simple calculation we have taken as 2 in 10 power minus 5 by 10 power minus 1 is 10 power minus 4, and root 10 power minus 4 became 10 power minus 2. Root 2 is 1.414. In this approximation, finally we have calculated the Van Hoff factor approximately 1, that we have substituted, and kb value from the problem also substituted, and final nearest integer x value what we have got it is 2 only from this depression and freezing point of the solutions, acetic acid solutions question. Take a snapshot of this calculation. We will move to the next one. Okay. Next, we will see the next question. That is the last question in this video. That is nothing but equilibrium question. Equilibrium question. Consider the following reaction: equilibrium constant of certain temperature kelvins, whose case is 3 × 10⁻13 given. One equation given. That equation is SO2 plus half O2 in gaseous form. That SO3 formed, whose Kc value given to us is 3 into 10 power 13. That is the value. And now they are asking Kc dash value of this SO3 decomposition. That is also given something like A into 10 to the power of plus B. A into 10 power B given. So we want that 2SO3 inequilibrate 2SO2 plus O2. For this equation, Kc dash they are asking. So what is actually Kc dash for this equation is reverse to this one. Reverse to this one, the equation is there. So 1 by Kc. If you take 2 times of multiply this one means the rate constant will be square of this one. Then that is Kc dash of second equation. That means Kc given in the question is A into 10 power plus B. A into 10 power plus B, which is equals to 1 by Kc is how much? 3 into 10 power 13. 3 into 10 power 13 whole square. So if I write this one is 1 by 9 into 10 power minus 26 will come. Even that 1 by 9 also I am considering as approximation as 0 point. This is 10 if you consider. This is 10 if you consider. This is 9 if you consider. Okay, this is what will happen means 10 power 0.111 like this will come. 1 by 9 means into 10 power minus 26. Okay, still if you want to just make this is more further classified, this 10 power minus 3 given, right? 10 power minus 3 has become plus 26 plus 26. Take this 10 power minus 3. Now what is this value is 1 into 10 power 25 will come. So what is A? A into 10 power plus B. A into 10 power plus B has become 1 into 10 power 25. What it means? A is equals to 1, B is equals to 25. The question is find the value of AB. Find the value of A plus B means A value 1, B value 25. Total is how much? 26. 26 is the integer value which is asked in this question. Not only determining the Kc dash value, after determining the Kc dash value, comparing this with A into 10 power plus B given in the question, and after that finding what is A and what is B, our aim of the question. So here Kc is 3 in 10 power minus 3 given, 13 given. That 3 in 10 power minus 13 we have substitute here to get this answer. A is 1 and B is equals to 25. That's all. Hope these explanations are interesting for all of you to go with for the next examinations, coming examinations in the competitive, which is chemistry, interesting and scoring subject. Hope you will definitely connect with my classes and all. Please subscribe my channel for more and more such type of previous year questions and all from chemistry, which is JEE mains and NEET case CET examinations questions and all. Any of the students seeking that are interested to learn from this type of classes, please subscribe my channel and save my videos or take snapshots of the solutions for getting clarity. Thank you very much.